Okay, this is about tying the pulley dropper rig. You will need swivel, bead, pulley bead, a bent rig clip, which is ideally the one with the offset eye, swivel, bead, clip to go on the bottom to take your lead and to clip down, and a hook. Some amnesia for your hook link and some rig body. Now the big benefit of the pulley dropper is nothing needs to be tied accurately, nothing needs to be measured out to length. The only accuracy is that your hook link needs to be shorter than your rig body length. Other than that, anything can be any length. You also have the advantage that you tie your hook link onto a swivel so your snoods are instantly and quickly interchangeable. If you snap off a hook link, there is no need, as with any other sort of clip down rig, to actually tie the hook link to an accurate length. Just any length, again, so long as it's shorter than the rig body, will work. Right, first take your rig body, take your clip, this is to hang the lead on. I'm using £50 nylon for my rig body. I don't think anybody can bust £50 line with a 6-ounce lead. Tie that on. It off. I'm going to use about a metre or so long rig, so clip that off at a metre. And then simply put all the other components on. Bead, swivel, clip pointing downwards, another bead, pulley bead, another plain bead, and tie off your top swivel. Whatever your favourite knot is, grinner knots, blood knots, whatever you find most confidence in tying as a knot to use, pull that up. And that's the rig body done. That's simple, nothing to crimp, nothing to measure. The swivel for your snood goes on this clip, the one with the offset. There, you now tie your hook snood. In. Right, so the only accurate thing is the hook snood has to be shorter than the rig body. Otherwise make it as long as you like. Snip that off. And tie your hook on. And that is all there is to it. That's fully tied. The next is a lesson in how to rig it for use. Right, rigging the pulley dropper, really simple. The pulley bead, that's that one, goes to the end of your shock leader, or that's on your line, so we'll hang it up here to simulate this hanging from your rod. The swivel at the very end of your trace body clips over this spur on this swivel here, and your hook clips in to the clip just above the lead here. Simple as that. So there you have it rigged. The pulley bead goes to the end of your shock leader. The swivel that was on the end of the trace body goes to that offset link. And the hook clips under the spur on the link above your lead, or onto an imp or an impact lead for better still. Your snood length can be any length you like, provided it's shorter than the trace body. And you have several traces done with spur hook links. So if you break off a hook or you snap a hook link, you have a few ready made up with a swivel and a hook. Unclip it, clip a fresh one on, carry on fishing. Doesn't matter what length your hook link is, what length your trace body is, again, so long as your hook link is shorter than the trace body. World's simplest rig. When it hits the beach, goes out like that, you've now got a long trace. When you've got a fish on, the lead's coming in front of the fish. The hook is well remote from your lead. There's no danger of the fish landing on your lead. You don't feel the resistance straight away from the line. Simple, simple.